Things we do at night. Pack our bag for next day. Do homework and study. Play with toys. Listen to stories. Watch television. Eat dinner. Brush after dinner. Wear a night dress. Sleep. Take the pictures of what you do at night. Teddy bear, teddy bear.
Teddy bear, turn around. Teddy bear, touch the ground. Teddy bear, polish your shoes. Teddy bear, off to school.
Number 75.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75.
Write the number. Our solar system consists of 8 planets.
Let's take a look at the 8 planets that revolve around the Sun. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Now let's hear from the planets themselves. Remember to look for Aiden and Anna. Mercury, the first planet from the Sun. Yeah, I'm the smallest, but I come first. Venus, the second planet from the Sun.
You know what? Don't touch me. I'm the hottest planet.
Earth, the third planet from the Sun. I'm the planet you call home. I'm also the only planet with water. Take better care of me, will ya? You need me to survive. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. People call me the Red Planet. By the way, I heard you guys are coming to visit soon, huh? I'm so excited! Jupiter, the fifth planet from the Sun. I'm the biggest of all. I have a great red spot, which has been there for centuries. It's a storm, not a pimple. Don't pop it. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun.
I'm a gas giant, and I'm surrounded by icy rings. I guess for that reason the ladies really love me.
Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. Oh, hi. I rotate on a tilt, so it kind of looks like I'm sideways, but I'm totally normal. Neptune, the eighth planet from the Sun. I'm the farthest away from the sun, and I like to keep a distance. I'm freezing cold because the sun and I are not really friends.
Shape, cylinder. Sil, the cylinder is my name. A can and I look the same. I may be short, tall, or long, come sing along. Cylinder, shaped objects. Gas cylinder. Candle. Can. Pencil stand. Tick, the cylinder, shaped objects.